Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Nissan Leaf door panel. First, gather your tools. You'll need a plastic trim removal tool set to avoid scratching your car's interior. A Phillips head screwdriver is essential for several screws, and a small flathead screwdriver will help with prying off covers. Also, keep a clean cloth handy to protect your door panel and surrounding areas as you work. Now, let's start removing the fasteners. Begin by taking out the single Phillips head screw inside the door pull handle. Next, carefully pry off the small plastic cover located behind the interior door handle. Underneath this cover, you'll find two more Phillips head screws. Remove both of these. Finally, gently pry up the entire window switch panel to expose additional hidden screws. With all the screws removed, it's time to detach the panel. First, disconnect the electrical connectors from the back of the window switch panel. Then, using your plastic trim removal tool, carefully begin prying around the edges of the door panel to release the plastic clips. Work your way around the entire perimeter, gently but firmly. Once all clips are free, lift the entire door panel upwards to clear it from the window channel. Before fully removing the panel, disconnect any remaining electrical connectors and the door cables. Take a moment to inspect all the plastic clips for damage. Replace any broken ones to ensure a secure reassembly. When you're ready to put it back, align the panel carefully with the window channel and push firmly around the edges to re-engage all the clips. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Reconnect all electrical components and screws to finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.